Hello my Tinkercad friends. So for today's video we'll be creating a wrench in Tinkercad. So let's go ahead and type it in here. Wrench, hit enter. Okay, let's get creating. So now what you wanna do is bring out the box, put it in the work plane, set the height to 4 and the length to 100, hit enter, then put it back at the center. So now for the width, you want that to be 10, because right now it's at 20, so put that at 10, hit enter. Alright, click on it, then use the view button here to zoom in. Alright, now we have a camera because it's written on the box here. So now what you want to do next is bring out a cylinder, put it out here, increase both length and breadth to 25, you holding the shift key and moving it up. So you move it to 25, put the height to 4 and bring out another no, but for some videos creators usually use another circle, but in a wrench it's not usually like a circle, so I'm not gonna use a circle. So what we're gonna do is click the drop down arrow here and go to all. So it's gonna take you down, scroll down and move to page 3 here. Now we're going to see these cool features here. So now what you want to do is bring out this one here, as you can see, put it in, but it is 27, so you might want to put that to 20. Put that to 20. Alright, now select both of them, align, center, and then make this a hole. So now it's a hole, put it down a little bit. Now it's in there properly, so now we can group both of them. But notice that when we group it, it remains something here, so we won't want that to happen. So what you want to do is bring out another circle, bring out the circle, go back to basic shapes, bring out the circle and work plane, use shift and put it all the way to 10, make it a hole, align both of them, hit center, center, then group both of them. Now we can see that there's no hole in the middle anymore. Now we can perfectly see that this looks like a wrench now, because that's how normal wrenches are. So bring it to the um, box, put it on the side here, make sure it's touched the box like that, select both of them, align, put it at the center and group them. Okay, now got it like that. What you wanna do now is bring out the cylinder again and make it to 25 using the shift, bring it to 4. You can either use the duplicate, control D to duplicate it and bring out another one, or you can just bring out another cylinder. So now for the other cylinder, hit shift. We want this to be a little bit smaller, but I almost forgot. Now we have to bring out a box because we already created that one. So now we have to bring out a box. Put it to the length to like the length to 25. Yeah. Alright, select both of them, zoom in. Now move the box into the circle. You want that to be a hole so you can see. You want the breadth to be like 15 or something. select both of them, use align and center it. Alright, now it's at the center. Now we select both of them and group it. Now we got it perfectly cut there. What you want to do, bring it to the other end and use your view. Yeah, but you know that they're usually like kind of bend like this, so what you want to do is click on the cylinder, then it will show you these arrows here. You can use to move it around or how you want it to be. So let's hit the undo here so I can show you how to do that. So what you want to do is bring it out like this. Now you want to click on this and put it like 22.5, yeah, like that, and leave it like how it is right now. So select both of them, align, hit center, then group them. Alright, now we got a screw here, a wrench. So this is how it creates a wrench, Tinkercad. And so you might want to change the colors here, put it to silver. Yeah. And another cool feature is that wrenches, they usually like write dates on it here and stuff. So to do that is really easy. All you want to do is take out your work plane and put it on the surface here where you want to write your text. So now scroll down, there's a text here, you can drop it there, then hit this drop down arrow, and you can see text here. Change what you want to put in the text. You can put Moses, or you can put whatever you want there, but I'm gonna put Moses range. So for that one, I'm gonna put it like that. Now I'm going to put the height to like 5 for now. The length, just for it to be much smaller. So I'm gonna use a shift to small things down and put it at the center. I can rotate it at an angle of 180 so that it will be facing me. And yeah, we got it right. So put it at the center and the center there too. So zoom in, bring your work plane back down, click on the text. Now you can make it a hole and stuff. A hole here. No, not the wrench. The text. You make it a hole and bring it down a little bit into the wrench so it could enter inside. Select both of them and group it. Now we're going to see it properly cut in like that. Now you can see, rotate it at an angle of 22.5. Now you can see like that. There we got a wrench. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.